Are you looking for the best printers for heat transfer to bring your creative designs to life? Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 immediately caught my eye because of its cartridge-free design, which means it can really save you money on ink in the long run. Priced at $179.99, it's positioned as a great basic home printer. If you want to eliminate the hassle of constantly buying cartridges, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This printer uses refillable ink tanks instead of those tiny, expensive cartridges. A single set of bottles equals about 80 cartridges, saving you up to 90% on replacement ink. With the ability to print up to 7,500 color pages or 4,500 black pages before needing a refill, you won't be running out of ink anytime soon. Plus, it fires off about 10 pages per minute, which is perfect for those larger heat transfer projects. Now, some people complained about the setup process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up and running, the benefits far outweigh the initial hassle, especially if you frequently print designs for heat transfer. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to get into heat transfer printing without the ongoing costs of traditional ink cartridges. Skip this one if you're only printing occasionally, as you might find a more compact option works better for you. For the price, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their printing needs. Now, if the EcoTank setup concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. HP Envy 6155E. The HP Envy 6155E is a charming all-in-one printer priced at just $79.89, and it really caught my attention with its smart features. If you want a printer that combines affordability with everyday functionality, this is a solid option worth considering. This printer offers wireless printing and scanning, which means you can easily print designs straight from your phone or tablet. It prints up to 10 pages per minute in black and 7 in color, which is decent for heat transfer projects. Plus, with HP's Instant Ink service, you can have ink delivered to your door before you even run out, so you never have to worry about missing a deadline. However, some users have pointed out that the paper handling isn't the best, especially if you're printing on thicker materials. But here's the thing, for standard heat transfer paper, it performs quite well, and for the price, it's hard to complain. This printer is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who needs a reliable home printer for various tasks. Skip this one if you're looking to print on specialty papers regularly, as it might struggle with that. For its price, it's a great starter printer. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget.
Product number 3. Canon PIXMA TS4320. Introducing the Canon PIXMA TS4320, a budget-friendly option at just $59 that really delivers on versatility. If you want a compact, stylish printer that won't break the bank, this one is definitely worth a look. This Canon printer is ideal for heat transfer printing because it provides vibrant colors and sharp text with its hybrid ink system. It supports automatic duplex printing, which saves paper and time, perfect for those multiple page projects. Setup is a breeze with easy wireless connectivity, and its compact design means it fits perfectly in any workspace. That said, some users have mentioned that it can be slow for larger print jobs. Here's the thing though, for small to medium projects, it holds up just fine, and the price point makes it hard to complain about speed. This printer is perfect for you if you're looking to start with heat transfer projects without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need something with rapid output, as it may not meet those demands. Overall, it's a fantastic value for the quality you get. Now, if you're looking for something with a few more features, the next option on our list may just tick all the boxes. Product number 4. Brother WorkSmart 1360. Let's talk about the Brother WorkSmart 1360, priced at $109.98. This printer stands out with its multifunction capabilities, making it a fantastic choice for both home and home office use. If you want a printer that can handle everything from printing to scanning efficiently, this is one to consider. This printer boasts automatic duplex printing and an impressive print speed of up to 16 pages per minute in black and 9 in color. With a 150-sheet paper tray and a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, it's designed for productivity, which is key when you're working on multiple heat transfer designs. Plus, it connects easily to various cloud apps, so printing your projects from anywhere is effortless. However, some users found the color output not as vibrant as other brands. Here's the thing. For heat transfer, the colors need to be accurate, but with a little tweaking in your design settings, you can get great results. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, all-in-one solution for your home office. Skip this if you're primarily focused on photo quality prints, as you may want something more specialized. But for the price, it's an excellent option for broad printing needs. Now, if you're really after that cartridge-free experience, the final printer on my list wraps it all up nicely. Product number 5. Epson EcoTank ET2803. We have the Epson EcoTank ET2803, priced at $179. This printer offers the same cartridge-free experience as its sibling, the ET2800, but brings a few additional features to the table. If you're looking for an eco-friendly option that also delivers high-quality prints, this one is definitely worth considering. Similar to the ET2800, this model uses refillable ink tanks, providing incredible savings on ink costs. It's designed for high-volume printing, which means you can create a lot of heat transfer designs without worrying about running out of ink. Plus, you can print, scan, and copy with ease, making it a versatile addition to your printing arsenal. However, some customers noted that it doesn't handle thicker media as well as others. Here's my take. If you're primarily using standard heat transfer paper, you should be fine, but be cautious with specialty materials. This is perfect for you if you're focused on reducing printing costs and environmental impact. Skip this one if you need to print on a wide variety of media types regularly. For the investment, it's a fantastic choice for those serious about their printing needs.
To recap, we've explored some amazing options: the Epson EcoTank ET2800, HP Envy 6155E, Canon PIXMA TS4320, Brother WorkSmart 1360, and the Epson EcoTank ET2803. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Epson EcoTank ET2800 because of its incredible cost savings on ink and overall functionality for heat transfer projects. Avoid the HP Envy 6155E if you're looking for specialty paper support. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.